Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the stores ledger account. Stores ledger account can be prepared by using different methods like FIFO, LIFO, simple average price method, and weighted average method. Okay, so today we will discuss the stores ledger account using weighted average method by doing one sum now. So this is the sum here, which I shared now. So the following transaction took place in respect of material item. So first column date is given in the right order. Okay, if the date is not given the right order also, we should prepare the account in the right order. Second column is our receipt quantity. So receipt quantity is nothing but how many units we purchased, at what rate we purchased. The last column is about issue quantity. So for issue, only quantity will be given and we have to find out the rate. So we will be issuing the materials at weighted average price. Prepare the stores ledger account. Prepare the stores ledger sheet, pricing the issues at simple average rate. Okay, so stores ledger account using weighted average method is our heading now. Okay, and date, receipts, issues, balance. Okay, so under receipts, we have three heads: quantity, rate, rupees. Under issues, we have quantity, rate, rupees. Under balance, we have quantity, rate, rupees. So remember the date sometimes they will give in not in the right order, but then we should prepare the stores ledger account in the right order of the date. So when we start, the first one, we write the date, the right date. The first date in the March month is 2nd March. So here we are purchasing. So purchasing means will come under receipt column. So 200 units at the rate of 2. So it will be 400. Okay, so there will be nothing under issues column. So for balance, for each transaction date, we should write the balance. Okay, so quantity column. What is the balance as of now, as on March 2nd? 200 units at the rate of 2, 400. Okay, now moving on to the second date of the transaction, March 10th. Okay, so March 10th also we are purchasing. How much we are purchasing? 300 units we are purchasing. So write 300 at the rate of 2.4. So how much it is? 300 into 2.4, we will get 720. Correct. So again, since it is purchased, nothing we should write under issues. Okay, now balance column. It is weighted average method. Okay, so already as per March 2nd, we have the quantity of 200. Now we purchase 300 again. So together we have 500 units. Okay, now amount column you see 400 rupees plus 720. So how much now? 1120. Okay, so just we're adding and writing 200 plus 300 in the quantity is 500, and rupees column 400 plus 720, we got 1120. Okay, now to find out the rate, the weighted average price can be calculated by dividing the balance column rupees figure divided by balance column units figure. So which means here 1120 divided by 500. So how much we will get? 2.24. Okay, so 1120 divided by 500. This 500 is nothing but balance column quantity figure, units figure, 500. Okay, now the next transaction date is March 15th. So we will write under date March 15th. We are issuing. So under receipt, we will put nil. Okay, then issues column. How many units we are issuing? 250 units we are issuing. Okay, what is the rate? Now, just now we calculated the weighted average price 2.24. Correct. So at 2.24. So 250 into 2.24, we will get 560. Okay, so now we have to write the balance for March 15th. Correct. So look at the previous balance. We have 500. In that 500, we issued 250. So what will be the balance now? 500 minus 250. So we will be getting 250. Okay, same way. Amount column also 1120 is here. Divide minus 560. So 1120 minus 560, again 560. Okay, 250, 560. Correct. Now to find out the weighted average price, what we should do? Rupees column is 560 divided by quantity column is 250. So 560 by 250, we will get 2.24. I'm just bolding it. Okay, so I repeat 560 divided by 250. Okay, so 2.24. So now we will see the next transaction date, March 18th. So we will write March 18th. Now we are purchasing. So 250 units at the rate of 2.6. Correct. So 250 into 2.6, you will get 650. Correct. 250 we purchase at the rate of 2.6, which means the value is 650. And there is no issue happened here. So nil. Now to write the balance. How to write the balance is 250 quantity plus 250, we got 500. Okay, then amount column 560 is already there plus 650. So 560 plus 650, we will get 1210. Okay, now we should find out the weighted average price. So how to find out that? Balance column alone we have to check. So balance column rupees divided by balance column units, quantity, correct? So 1210 divided by 500, how much we will get? 2.42. Okay, 1210 divided by 500, we will be getting 2.42. And we have one more transaction here. So last transaction is March 20th. So we will write in the date column March 20th. So under March 20th, what is happening here is we are issuing 200 units. Okay, so under receipt column, we will put nil. So nil, and we are issuing 200 units. Okay, so 200 units at what price we have to issue is, just now we calculated the price as 2.42. So 2.42. Okay, what is the price we calculated? At the same price, we'll be issuing the material the next date. So 200 units at the rate of 2.42, we will get 484. Okay, so now what we should do is, so this is the last transaction. So last balance also. So what we should do, 500 minus 200. So we will be getting 300. Correct. And rupees column, how much we have? 1210 minus 484. So how much we'll get? 726. Okay, 1210. Since it is issue, we are minusing it. If it is purchase, we'll be adding it. Correct. So 500, it is issue. So minus 200, we are getting 300. 1210 minus 484, we are getting 726. Now to find out the rate, the weighted average rate, what we should do? 726 balance column rupees figure divided by 300 units, balance column quantity figure. So how much we will get? 2.42. Okay, so I will just bold it. So 300 units at the rate of 2.42. Correct. Correct. So 726 divided by 300. I hope you understood how to prepare the store ledger account using weighted average method. Thank you.